Hello guys, how are you guys? Hope so all of you are fine guys. Today our topic is how to find Google AdWords official website or how to sign up into Google AdWords account. Guys, it is a very simple trick to find to sign up and find official website of Google AdWords. So let's move on to website. Here is our Google portal. We search simple Google AdWord. Okay. After click on, you can see the first link. Google Ads search advertising appears for relevant searches. Create your account, set up budget, write an ad, decided where you would like to appear, show ads to more customer. So we click on the first link. As you can see, after open the page, you can see two options: start now or sign up. You can simply click on in sign in. It is the official website of Google AdWords account. You can see I have already signed in with my Gmail account. After sign out, I will tell you how to sign in. Okay. Okay guys, you can see after you click on sign in, you put your mail into this option. I will put John Megai, John Dan. It's my personal mail. After you put your own password. uh, okay, you can see guys, you simple click on sign in. After you can put your Gmail account into your Google Ads account. Okay guys, you can see you are in on Google Ads account. After you in, you can uh, excuse me. After you in, you can see overview, campaign setting, change history. In here portal, you can search keywords for your Google accounts, for your YouTube, anything you want. For Google Ads, you can see here in Google AdWords account. Okay guys, hope so you like the video, share the video. So we will meet you in the next video. Till tata, bye bye.